All right, guys, today we spend a little bit of time at Santa Barbara, California. Santa Barbara is a beautiful little city situated on the coast of California. It's about 95 miles north of Los Angeles on the Pacific Coast Highway. It's a stretch of the coast that actually faces south. Now, it's been called the American Riviera because of its Mediterranean style of architecture, as well as the way it sits on the ocean with mountains in the background and cliffs right along the shoreline. In fact, I am at Shoreline Park. It's a great little park to enjoy the beauty of the Santa Barbara coastline. Now, this is a tourist spot, a resort area, plenty of sailing, surfing, beaches, kayaking. Just a great place to enjoy some quiet, majestic views, and I will just let you do that right now. All right, Santa Barbara, California. There was a TV show named after this area. I gotta tell you, it's a great place to stop and maybe have a lunch and enjoy the beauty of the ocean, the mountains, and reflect on the good things of life. And that is some good stuff.